Welcome to this gorgeous house in Hampton Hills full of upgrades and beautiful features. Breathtaking. Spectacular. One of a kind. These are just a few words you may use to explain this amazing one-owner home. This house offers an open concept experience and two-split floor plan. As you enter the home, you are welcomed into the open foyer with soaring ceilings, the formal living/dining room combo, and the beautiful staircase. Just down the foyer hall you will find the downstairs bathroom and bedroom. Don't miss this 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms and a den, office. Everyone has their own space to relax. Continuing down the hall, you are stunned by the enormous kitchen that features huge island, a built-in desk, like new stainless steel appliances, gorgeous granite counters. Talk about a kitchen. Eat-in Nook overlooking the lush landscape of the backyard and flows into the family room. Flow into the open concept living area, perfect for family events. Not only will you be impressed with the inside space but the outside as well. To the second floor. Into one of the many guest rooms that now is utilized as an additional overflow closet, easy transformed back into a bedroom or office. Exit into the hallway and you have 4 additional bedrooms, bathroom and laundry room to your right. Take a quick left and you are walking into your master suite like you've never seen before. Stunning views from your wall-to-wall bay windows. Once you take in the view, you can head towards every woman's dream. Closet heaven. If that isn't impressive enough, take a peek at the master bathroom that has a huge oval garden tub, separate shower, his slasher sinks and additional linen closet space. This home offers a 2-car garage, paved driveway with brick pavers, and beautifully manicured yard with enough room to play. Also, it has a screened and covered porch with enough room for a grill and a pool table. Finally, you can't forget about its perfect location. You will be just minutes away from everythi.